Hi dears, welcome to our class once more. In the last class we have already studied who will be Ningto. I think everybody studied and enjoyed the story. Aren't you? Okay. What we studied there? We studied about the story of a king, a queen and their children. Everybody understood it and enjoyed it. Now, let us move on to our second lesson, that is My Brother, My Brother. What's the name of our lesson? My Brother, My Brother. It is written by Nora Burke. Nora Burke. I think everybody have brothers and sisters. Here we are saying about the bravery of a little boy. What do you mean by bravery? Courage. Before that, just listen this video. What can you see there? You should think and tell me. What is it? Just watch it.
125 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों को इन बहादुरों पर नाज है। जिंदगी के तमाम खतरों को नाकाम करने वाली विजय गाथा के ये असली नायक हैं। इनकी एक मुस्कान दिल जीत लेती है तो इनका जज्बा मौत को मात दे देता है। हर खतरा इनके सामने घुटने टेक देता है। देश के 25 बहादुरों पर एक नजर डालिए। ये देश के वो 25 बच्चे हैं जिन्हें राष्ट्रीय वीरता पुरस्कार के लिए चुना गया है। इन मासूमों ने अपने बुलंद हौसलों की ऐसी मिसाल पेश की है जिसे सुनकर हर कोई हैरान।
Yeah, okay. That is a function. What function maybe it is? Yeah, you are asking something to others. Do you know what is the function? You can see it in your TV and all. One grand function is conducting the one function. What may be the function? Is it a marriage function? No. Any other competition? No. That is an award function. What is it? An award function. What may be it? Yeah, that is the National Bravery Award. Bravery Award. To whom that award is given? Yeah, that is given to the people, those who shows their bravery. Yeah, here there are so many kids. Some children like you, they are getting the awards. How they got it? They had done some brave things. So, the nation is giving award to them. Some small kids are there, children are there. That is the National Bravery Award function. So, do you know why this award is given? At first, the first National Bravery Award was given in the year 1957 to whom? Harish Chandra Mehra, a small kid like you, Harish Chandra Mehra. Why was he awarded that? Because there was a good function. Our former first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru also was there. And during the function, what happened? There was fire broken. And this child, neglecting his life, tried to save the lives of the people. So, the government honored him by giving Bravery Award. That was the first Bravery Award. So, each and every year, for such talented and brave children, the government gave away the prizes, that awards. That is the function that you had seen here. Why Miss told you all this? Why? What may be the reason? Here in our lesson, My Brother, My Brother also, we are going to study about a boy who showed his bravery to save his own brother. Yeah, that is why the lesson's name is My Brother, written by Nora Burke. Bravery of a child. Okay, let us move on to our lesson. Yeah. Sher Singh. What is the name of the boy in our lesson? Sher Singh. He was a boy who does not know fear. He was a courageous boy, very brave boy. What was the name of the child? Sher Singh. Sher Singh's little brother lay in the hut with a pain in his stomach that was getting worse. One day, Sher Singh's little brother, he had a stomachache. He couldn't suffer. He was crying with pain and his father was not there. And sometimes from your home, if you have a headache or stomachache, what your mothers will do? Suddenly mother will take you to run to hospital? No. What they will do? They will give some home medicines or they will do something first aid. Then here also what happened? Our Sher Singh's little brother has stomach pain. Sher Singh himself was only about 12 years old. Like you only, you are in 5th standard. How old are you? 11 years. Yeah, here he is about 12 years old. Small and cheerful, a child of the jungle. His brother was several years younger. You also will have younger brothers and sisters. Will you look after them? Will you play with them? Yeah. Sometimes when your mother was busy to do the home, other duties from the home, what will you do? You will take care of your younger child, your younger brother. So here also, father was not there. He had gone to some other place. And in the house, hut means a small house. Hut, here it means a small house. In his hut, there is only mother is the mother, Sher Singh and his little brother. So what will do? And remember that this is not the house like your house. That is near to the forest, near to the Himalayan range of the forest, near to the forest only, near to the jungle. So there won't be good roads or good ways to go home or the hospital. So what happened? Mother rubbed something. I will wring out rags in boiling water and lay them on her stomach, said his mother. She did not weep. Weep means cry. She did not weep. Mother also was very courageous. By seeing the little child suffering with the pain, she didn't cry. What did she do? She decided to do some homely medicine, something first aid. Sometimes when you have stomach pain or headache, what your mother will do? Mother will rub some balm to you. Otherwise, give hot water to drink. Here also, what the mother did? Mother wring rags in boiled water. Rag means cloth, old cloth that we will call rag. Old cloth. Here mother took some boiled water and put the cloth in it and kept on the stomach of the baby. The steaming rags did not help. After a while, Sher Singh's mother said, he must be carried to hospital at Kalagat. And sometimes after that, 5 or 10 minutes after that also, if you have no suffering, you can't reduce it. What mothers will do? They will take you to hospital. So that clothes, that old cloths, dipped in the water and lay on the stomach of small baby, little brother. But it could not control his pain. Then mother told it will be better to take him to hospital. But they were living near to the jungle. The hospital was far away from his home. What to do? Then Sher Singh thought that his brother was dying. All jungle people somehow think that the hospital is last resort of the doomed. Hospital is far away from the home. So what to do? Nobody is there to take the little boy to the hospital and no other elder people in the home. So what they had to do? They had to suffer what happened. So he thought, I will run for my father. Father was not there. So what you will do? You will, now there are all the facilities. You can phone your father. If father is not there, you can call some others for help. But here, nobody was there. So what did he decide? He decided to run to his father to call him. It may be days before you find him. Why it may say so? Sher Singh's father was away in the jungle with a photographic expedition. All the men of Ladwani village were with the expedition as beaters. So I have already told you they are living near to the jungle, near to the forest. So what may happen there? There will be wild animals. There were no other people to contact. So here these people, the people those who are living together near that jungle, everybody had gone for a expedition, a journey. What was it? Photographic expedition to the jungle. And some of the men also, other people also accompanied them as beaters. Beater, you know, those who are beating the drums and all. Why this they had gone there? So when the wild animals comes there, you know that somebody will make sound by beating the drums and some other sound. By hearing this sound, what will happen? The wild animals won't come to the place of the people those are living. So here these people, the people living near to the jungle, all of them were gone as beaters for the photographic expedition. So what was his father doing? His father was a beater of the photographic expedition. Clear that here in a small house near to the jungle, there lived with whose family? Sher Singh's family. Sher Singh, his mother and his little brother only living in the home, and his father was he was a beater. He had gone for a photographic expedition. One day his little brother had a stomachache and he had to go to hospital. But the hospital was far away from their place. That was in Calicut. So he has to take his brother to the hospital and he is trying to go to the hospital. Have you understood? Yeah. This is the first part of our unit. I will give some homework to you. Just listen. First one, what happened to Sher Singh's brother? Sher Singh's brother. What happened to him? Yeah, he had stomach pain. What did his mother do? What did his mother do? What happened to Shersing's brother? What did his mother do? What did his mother do? She took the old clothes and dipped in the boiled water and kept on the body of his little brother. So this much you have to study. I think everybody understood this. Okay? Yes.